Hello and welcome again. This video is about a basic Hello World program in LabVIEW. In this basic program, I will teach you how to make a simple header in LabVIEW, and I will explain you all the steps involved in making a LabVIEW project. So I have opened the LabVIEW 2016 already on my desktop, as you can see. From the file menu, go to create project. So we are going to start with a blank project. It's already selected. Click on finish to see. Here our new project has been created. Now I want to add a folder to my project. I will go to my computer, add folder, auto populating. So anything I do in my project or add a file to my project or anything I put in this folder, this will be connected to my project automatically. Okay, I'm going to right click on Hello World and select new VI. So a new VI has been created, as you guys can see. This area is called block diagram, and the other window, by pressing Ctrl E, this is called the front panel. So a LabVIEW VI always consists of two windows. One is the front panel, the other one is block diagram. So on the block diagram, instead of making our front panel here, let's go to the front panel window here. Here, press Ctrl Tab. This is the quick drop menu. It can help you to find the controls and indicators and other accessories very easily. Otherwise, if you are not well conversant in LabVIEW, you can press right click and you can access all the LabVIEW functionalities from this menu here. So I go to the modern to numeric and I want a numeric control. I will place it here again. I will name this numeric as x1 and this 2 as x2. In this program I want to add these two and create a sum out of it. So I want to place an indicator. I go to numeric indicator and name it to be the sum, which is x1 plus x2. So when I go to my block diagram by pressing Ctrl E, I'm seeing these two controls and one indicators. Because I want to make a program that adds two values, I will press Ctrl Tab and select add function. Here the add function has appeared. So I will connect its two inputs and its output is connected to the indicator. On front panel, when I run this VI, I get the answer. Suppose I want to put 5 and 3, and if I run this VI, the answer is 8. So your header has been created. Now you want to run your VI forever. Go to block diagram menu, press Ctrl Tab, search for while loop with button, and place a while loop out of it. So the VI will keep on running until the stop button is pressed. Here if I run this VI, and while running it I can change my values. So 7 plus 4 is 11, minus 4 plus 7 is 3. That's how we have created an header. And if I press the stop button, the VI will stop. You need to save it first, so go to file and press save and name it as header in the Hello World folder. Okay. So in this very basic video tutorial, I have told you guys to create a very basic VI in LabVIEW. This is for the people who are very much new to LabVIEW and want to start working in LabVIEw. If you are an experienced programmer, please don't watch this video. Thank you very much.